looking to buy a home in Montclair, New Jersey? Then you'll love our new listing. I'm Amy Owens with the Amy Owens team. Let's go take a look.
Click the link below to get the price, photos, and details on this brand new listing. Perfectly situated in Montclair's coveted Erwin Park neighborhood, this charming Craftsman Colonial blends classic design with thoughtful, modern updates. The main living and dining spaces feel comfortable, classic, and full of charm, while the expertly renovated kitchen delivers high-end designer finishes, modern function, and heated floors for everyday luxury. Upstairs, the bedrooms offer comfort with newly installed mini splits, and the primary bath also includes heated floors. The home also features full house insulation, a finished basement for valuable bonus space, and easy access to Edgemont Park, NYC train, and bus service. Want to know more? Click the link below to get the price, photos, and full details before this Montclair home is gone. Thanks for watching!